Welcome to Botbee. Today in this video we will show you how to integrate ChatGPT using Botbee. Let's get started. First go to platform.openai.com. Then click Sign Up. Create new account using email. And then click Settings. In left side menu select Create Project. Name a project and then click Create button. Now go to Billing and add payment details. Now go to Dashboard. Click API Keys. Then select Create New Secret Key. Click Create Secret Key. That's it. API key created successfully. Copy the API key and store it in safe place. Go to Botbee Dashboard. And then select Integration in left side menu. Select OpenAI. Paste the copied secret key and select the prompt model as GPT 3.5 Turbo. Click Save button. That's it. ChatGPT integrated with Botbee successfully. Now you can use AI reply in chat, as well as bot reply. We have already created video for how to use ChatGPT AI reply in chat. Please check the description for more details. Thank you for watching the video.